huge news happening right now. There's not going to be any markups on the Dark Horse 2024 Mustang, and I can't wait to tell you how that's going to work. And guys, before we get any further in today's video, have you ever seen on my channel dash cam footage? No, because I don't like any dash cam I've ever seen in the market until now. That's right, because we are now having the dash cam Omni full 360 70 MAI, link in the description, and use my code, is now going to be used on the channel, and I'll tell you why. Because what I love about it is they have a vlog mode where I can actually say shoot vlog, and it records me talking like I'm talking to you right now. Get ready, and it's gonna talk to me about. I can actually start doing my YouTube.
Say hi to the camera.
She's telling me to say hi to the camera. I can actually be doing my vlogs on the camera. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Grab this. Use link in the description. It also has superior night vision. Show you guys some really cool features. Link in the description. It's really high quality. It sticks great on the window. There's no shaking. There's no vibrating. I can't wait to, I don't want to capture anything bad, but when it comes down to my races, I'll be even using my Omni Dashcam 70 MAA for that content. So I can't wait. It's going to be coming up on the channel, but I really appreciate them sponsoring today's video, and please check them out. It's really a good quality dash cam, because there's a lot of stuff you have to do with, you know, it's not even 360, it's just one angle. Heaven forbid you get in an accident, you need some footage. Most important aspect of the Omni 70 MIA dash cam, and that is it has collision detection and motion detection. This is like amazing that this dash cam can do this. So it actually kicks on if it senses a collision, as well as the fact that when you're parked, it can tell when someone's snooping around and perhaps wants to try to break in or steal something off your vehicle. So check it out. Very important, very safe. Omni dash cam. Someone's even trying to mess with your car at a car show, use the Omni dash cam. We have it on the StangMode channel. It's a great product. Again, I have, in all the years I've done YouTube, never had dash cam footage of my own to share with you or to use. We'll be doing it now because things are going big in 2023, and we're starting with our friends at Omni dash cam. Appreciate them. Check it out and tell them StangMode sent you. All right, let's get to the video. Yes, guys, woo! Big, huge news happening right now. There's not going to be any markups on the Dark Horse 2024 Mustang, and I can't wait to tell you how that's going to work. But as a whole, we've been dealing this. Us consumers have been destroyed, have been just saddened by the way we're getting beat up. We just want to buy a beautiful, nice Mustang, nice Ford that we love, but we're getting killed by markups, right? Like, what the heck's going on? This Raptor I'm in, I got a deal at 5,000K over stickers. That's a deal, right? That's not a deal. So what's happening is we got to fight the power. We got to figure out what's going on. But that starts at the top and hopefully trickle down to us. And the thing is, the Ford CEO is actually doing something good. Jim Farley's actually doing something great. He's fighting the markups where dealers are not going to have to get into an incentive-based program, and they'll take their allotments away from having certain vehicles. Now, what it seems to be, from what I'm reading and what I'm unpacking here, that's going to mostly pertain to, unfortunately, for us who are crazy motorheads and, ICE diehards, that's going to pertain to EV vehicles, the Lightning, the Mach-E, things of that nature, and there's more coming down the road. So basically, what that means in the short term is that if you want a electric EV Ford vehicle, you probably won't have to pay markups, which is great. But what does that mean? What does that mean for us who love our V8s and our rumble in the jungle and all that kind of good stuff? what that means is we got to have, as a community, places and nooks and crannies to how we can find out how we are going to find a way to not have to pay markups. And this is why I love the Mustang community, and I'm sharing with you guys, and I hope this happens in time. But thanks to the forums, thanks to the message boards, thanks to the comments, some of them are hating, but whatever. There are some dealerships I found, and the link in the description, or you can go to on3supply.com. I'll have a link for the dealerships that aren't doing markups for the Mustang, and unfortunately that's going to fill up fast. So it behooves you to watch the videos, because I'm going to share them with you as soon as I know. I'll find out, because we're in the world of the orders are going to start to be coming. Now, they're not going to come soon. Order banks are, order banks are not open yet for the 2024 Mustang. Why my voice cracked again? I have no idea. But what that does mean is, do your homework now to find a dealership that will not charge you a markup, which is what I'm sharing with you. We have a dealership we found on the forum of Mustang 7G. I already emailed them. I said, lock me in, baby, because I need this in my life. So they locked me in, but they're still accepting people as we speak. So again, I'll provide that. You got to go to OmniSupply.com, because this video is sponsored by Omni-Cam, but you can go there and I'll have that information for you, or I'll figure it out. Link in the description, or go to Mustang 7G and find the dealers that are doing this. Because listen, I, like you, just want to pay my markup. I don't want to pay my markup, sorry. I want to have my 24 Mustang, and I want to have my cake and eat it too. And we could do this together, guys. So if I find dealerships, if I find people who are selling it at MSRP, I will let you know as soon as I find out. So I'm sharing with you. Some people are like, oh yeah, good luck, you're on your own, go call everybody, bye. No, we're going to tell you specifically the dealerships, and they're going to be here. We're going to have links in the description. I'll tell you along the way when the order banks open, when you can actually do everything through Ford. I emailed my Ford contacts. They said order banks are not open yet officially, but start doing your homework now. Contact your local dealer. Say, listen, I want the new Mustang. I don't want to pay markup. What can you do for me? Hopefully you can get some kind of thing, like, you know, something in writing, put a deposit down, whatever, or just get something that you're not going to pay markup. Dealerships like to change their mind. I can't speak to dealerships, because I've dealt with them just like you. I've bought many cars, and all of a sudden when it comes down to sign, like, oh, what's this market adjustment, you know? But, you know, this is the world we live in. So us as a community here have to figure out a way to work together to get these things done. Now, many of you are going to be like, screw that. I'm happy with my S550. I'm happy with my Fox body. And that's perfectly fine. And God bless you. But the used car market is just as crazy. So we're going to try to find out what we're going to do. Now, there's been a slight dip, a small little pinch in the car market, but it's not going to drop like drastically like it was just 2 years ago. So it's crazy the world we live in now. And like we talked about last video, with the V8 for the S650 being shortened down to 5 to 6 years only of a window, we kind of got to get these. Actually, it's going to sound weird. It's going to sound dramatic. These historic vehicles and you know, time capsules now, because in like just 5 to 6 years, it's going to go like this. It'll be like EV Mustang only. So let's check it out. Link in the description for all the information I know. Check out Omni-Cam. Appreciate them responding to this video. Check out Mustang 7G. It's one of my favorite forums. I basically report a lot of stuff from here to you. And but I appreciate you coming here, liking, subscribing. So definitely check it out, guys. And I just want to say, let's go. Big things coming for 2023. I got some huge content coming for you. And I love you all. Appreciate you all. Have a happy, blessed new year. And let's fight these markups together, because you know it never ends. Peace.